methods of preparation from Grignard region of alcohol from Grignard region. Okay, so we'll see now from Grignard region. In this method, you can prepare primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. All three alcohol can be prepared by changing the starting product. Now, first, primary alcoholity. How you can get primary alcohol from Grignard region. Now, Grignard region is RMGX. RMGX. So, if I take the say Grignard region as form, this first one I will take it as formaldehyde, or what is called as methanol. Al is for aldehyde, methanol. If I treat this with Grignard region, RMGX in general, now what is that here? Remember, R can be CH3, X can be chlorine, bromine, iodine. Now this is reaction carried out in presence of dry ether. What will happen here? Addition, remember. So R will add to this carbon. MgX will add to always what? O. So what we'll get here will be RCHHOMgX. Then hydrolyze by adding here acidified water, which you can write it as H3O plus. So from here OH and H. OH and what? H. So that OH will add to the MgX. And H from here will add to this O. And therefore what we'll get here will be RCHH and OH. Plus, if you want, you can write it as other product as MgXOH. I'll write here in short just to understand. There is no need actually. So this is what is obtained as a byproduct. Okay, see MgX and OH. Okay. Now this is what alcohol you get, end up with primary. You'll end up with primary. So if you take methanol and Grignard region, you will get primary alcohol. I'll give the example in my next video. Suppose say if you take RCH double bond O, this is say aldehyde. In general I am writing aldehyde. And if you take this with Grignard region, RMGX, again the same way, dry ether. What will happen here? This R group will add to this, MgX will add to O. Always, MgX will add to O. Remember, X can be chlorine, bromine, iodine. So what you get here? RCHOMgX, and this is R. So to distinguish, I will put it as R dash here, just to understand, because this is R here and this is R, it can be R dash can be equal to also R. Remember, this R dash and R can be also same. Now just why I wrote here like this, to understand this R dash has come from Grignard region. Add to this H3O plus. What will get here? This will become OH. So what will be the product? RCHR dash with OH. Okay. And now tertiary. So this will be secondary alcohol. What alcohol in secondary? And if you take Grignard region with this ketone, RCOR. Okay, let us say that this is ketone. So ketone treated with Grignard region, RMGX, dry ether. What will happen here? R will be added here. Just for you to understand, I'll try to take R dash. So what will get here? RCR dash with OMgX. When you treat with water, means acidified water it is, water in presence of acid. So H3O plus I will put. Okay, this will become OH. What will get here will be RCR R dash OH. What alcohol it is? Tertiary. So the thing is here, what you remember the reaction by saying that you can get primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. All the three classes of alcohol can be obtained. Remember, all the three classes of alcohol can be obtained by this method. So using Grignard region and aldehydes and ketone, you can get all three classes of alcohol. Only thing remember, if you want primary alcohol, your starting will be methanol. This is formaldehyde or methanol. This is also called formaldehyde. All right. Example of this I will explain to you all in the next